Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Stinger tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, firm surface, well away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Gather all necessary tools, your spare tire, the jack, the lug wrench, and consult your owner's manual for specific jack point locations. For added stability, place wheel chocks or blocks on the wheel, diagonally opposite the flat tire. Now, before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, locate the designated jack point on your Kia Stinger's frame, typically near the flat tire, as indicated in your owner's manual. Carefully position the jack there and begin to raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now fully unscrew and remove all the lug nuts by hand. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire, align its holes with the wheel studs, and carefully push it onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the spare tire, ensuring it sits flush against the hub. Finally, use the jack to carefully lower your Kia Stinger completely to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully on the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts. It is crucial to tighten them in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Check the air pressure of your newly installed spare tire and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a permanent repair. Remember to store your flat tire and all tools securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.